Exploring Minitab's new methodologies for proportion testing. Proportion testing methodologies are statistical techniques. They analyze data where the goal is to find the proportion of a sample that meets a specific criterion. These methodologies are particularly useful in quality assurance, process optimization, and decision-making. How can Minitab's new methodologies benefit you? Minitab's new proportion testing methods help professionals in all industries. Minitab's latest features aim to improve data analysis. They include better data visualization, analytical tools, and statistical analysis. They should help users find actionable insights. Using these methods in your workflow can improve your work. You can make more accurate calculations and stronger hypotheses. Minitab's new methods improve statistical analysis. They provide more accurate and reliable estimates. This is especially true in single population proportion testing. It can greatly enhance decision-making. Practical applications and real-world case studies. Let's use a real-world example to show Minitab's new proportion testing methods. You are a quality control expert. Your task is to evaluate a new manufacturing process. Use Minitab's statistical software to analyze the data. You can compare proportions and make informed decisions about the process performance. Minitab has a user-friendly interface and powerful tools. Enhancing your data-driven decisions. In today's fast-paced world, data-driven decisions are key to success. Minitab's new proportion testing methods can boost your analysis. They can help you validate hypotheses and find trends in your data. Use Minitab software to optimize your processes. It will improve efficiency and drive continuous improvement across your organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, Minitab's new methods for proportion testing offer many benefits. They will help professionals improve their statistical analysis,